welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a Young Living unboxing. This is how the box looks like. I'm not going to turn it around because it has my address on it, but this is how it looks like. And I receive a box every month that I order of my essential oils. So if you guys are interested in learning more about essential oils or Young Living, please comment down below. I'll also leave my member number as well in the description box. And yeah, let's just get right into it. See, let's try to open this with these keys. Here we go. Alright guys. Sorry, a little notification popped up on my phone. Okay, hold on guys. Alrighty, so this is how it looks like inside. It has this bubble wrap or whatever to keep everything safe and from breaking. And so they also send you an order list. So I ordered the lemon essential oil, 15 ml, the clove vitality 5 ml, and the vitality line is all the essential oils that you can ingest. So I like to cook with clove, like if I'm making some type of like pumpkin pie, that's really good. And I also ordered the lip balm cinnamon. And I also ordered the orange vitality. The orange vitality I like to put in my water, so I like to drink it to give the water a little bit of flavor. And then I also ordered Christmas Spirit essential oil in 5 ml, and also the Thieves Water Less Hand Purifier. So it's basically a hand sanitizer. I ordered I ordered the 3-pack because my husband also enjoys that. I put that in his work bag, so he likes to keep that on him as well. All right, guys. So everything is individually packed pretty much. So those were the hand sanitizer, and this is how it looks like right here. It is 1 fluid ounce, but you only need to have like just a little bit, and it smells amazing, guys. It doesn't smell like too alcohol-y. It smells more like a mint. So you're putting, so your hands pretty much smell like Christmas, pretty much. And this is the peppermint oil. It's with peppermint oil, and it's all essential oils pretty much. So it has eucalyptus in it. It has cinnamon in it. It has peppermint in it. It has citrus, lemon, all sorts of rosemary leaf. So it's a really good hand sanitizer, and I really enjoy that. So I always keep one in my purse. And then of course this is the cinnamon chapstick. Looks like that. Let's see if I can focus this. Okay, maybe it won't focus, but it looks like this, you guys. And then right now I have the lavender chapstick that I also really enjoy. I don't know if I can, oh, here we go. And everything is sealed, just like you would buy something at the store that is sealed. So you don't have to worry about, you know, them opening it or having any types of germs in it. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Ooh, it smells like cinnamon, you guys. And it's just like a regular, it has no tint to it. It's just like a regular chapstick. Sorry, the lighting and everything is so bad. Let me see if I can, there we go, kind of. Anyways, but yeah, it looks like a, just a regular chapstick. And it smells amazing, and they are very moisturizing. Like I said, I have the lavender one, so I really love to use that, especially in the winter months when my lips are really, really chapped. This like helps 110%. So really been enjoying that this winter time. And then this must be, so this is my lemon 15 ml looks like this. I'm not going to open it, but I have actually ordered that one before, and it smells amazing. And these are all therapeutic grade, 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oils, so they're all really good for you. And then this one is the Orange Vitality, and this is just in 5 ml. And like this is like $6, and this one I think was like 11, so really affordable. Of course, there are essential oils that are more expensive than that, but those were pretty inexpensive. And then this one is the Christmas Spirit, and this is gonna make my house smell like Christmas for real. So since we're going into December, I decided to pick this one up so my house smells a little bit more festive, since I no longer use candles anymore. I just use my diffuser, so I decided to get something a little bit more like in the holiday spirit. And then I, of course, ordered the clove. And so what I'm going to do is I would pair this up with like orange and clove, like this. So I would diffuse those two things, and they will also, I heard, smell like a fruit cake. So I'm into fruit cake, so I definitely would diffuse those together. And you can also diffuse the clove and the lemon together as well. So that was all that I ordered. Everything, I believe, let me see how much I spent, you guys. So I spent $53.75 for 4 oils and a chapstick and the 3 hand sanitizers. So I think that's pretty good, and especially knowing that these are all good for you and they have no parabens or weird chemicals in them, I would say that this was a really good buy. I mean, if you think about it, the candles at Bath and Body Works, they have all those chemicals in them. I would say that these, you know, were a pretty good buy for $53 for everything. And not knocking off Bath and Body Works, because I do like them. I love their lotions and stuff, but I try really hard not to put anything that is too chemically on my body. And I try to now buy things that are a little bit more friendly to your skin. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed or liked, please do, and I will see you guys later. Bye.